Good morning to one and all. I am Tejaswini, pursuing 4th year. I belong to EC department. Today I am here to explain you about the thin film devices. So, first let us know about this thin film devices. That is special electronics effects encountered at microwave frequencies. Uh, Severely limit the usefulness of transistors is known in most circuit applications. So, using vacuum tubes for lower applications become impractical. So, the need for the small size microwave devices has caused extensive research in this area, and this research has produced solid state devices with higher and higher frequency ranges. So, this new solid state micro devices are predominantly active. They are two terminal diodes such as tunal diodes, vectors, transferred electronic devices, and avalanche transistime diodes. So the types of devices are the microwave tunal diode and transferred electron devices, gun effect diodes, RWH theory and modes of operations, avalanche transistime devices, impact diode, tripat diode, Barrett diode, pin diodes, varactor diodes, and crystal detectors. So let us know about detail about them. So this tunal diode was discovered by the Japanese scientist in 1958. So this tunal diode is a pin junction with a extremely heavy doping on the both the sides of the junction. Due to this high doping, the width of this depletion region becomes very thin, and overlap occurs between this both conduction band level on N side and the valence band level on the P side. So this tunal diode is heavily doped with p-n junction that have a negative resistance over a portion. At the time, dl by dv must be 0 and it changes from negative to positive again. Between these points, the device exhibits a negative resistance. So here we can see that forward bias tunal diode and a graph which shows about it. And this here is a p type and here is a n type, and it is the portion is this depletion region which contains of negative and positive ions, and these are in p type will find holes, and in n type will find the free electrons. You have to remind it. And here a graph between the current and voltage, that is some it starts from the origin of some at some point will find a tuning current, and there will be some negative resistance region. So this is impact diode. Impact diode or impact avalanche transistor diode is an RF semiconductor device that is used for generating microwave radio and frequency signal with ability to operate at a frequency between about 3 to 100 gigabytes or more. And one of the main disadvantages is relatively higher power capability of impact diode. Impact structures, and there is a variety of structures that is used for this impact diode. A basic p-n junction impact diode is a semiconductor device. It is a device which generates a microwave signal from 3 to 100 gigahertz. In impact diode, a negative resistance effect phenomena is taken into account. So this is a diagram of this impact diode, a schematic diagram, and this is a VI characteristic of impact diode. So here is a anode and it is a cathode. We'll find a region of P and N region, and the drift region is known as, that means P and N regions are known as drift regions. So we'll take voltage supply voltage up to 4000 kilovolts per centimeters. So here we can see this waveforms of this applied voltage, and you'll get output waveforms as current from, see, you can clearly imagine here. And the main advantages of this impact diode is it provides a high operating range, will have a high operating range, and it shows a compactness in the size, compactness and impact diodes are economical, they are much economical, and they'll provide a reliable operation at high temperatures. The main disadvantage is that the rate of generation of electron hole pair in the avalanche region causes the generation of high noise. So this makes the system high noisy because of this generation of electron pair in the avalanche region. So this is about the thin film devices, and thank you.